Today, I'll walk you through how to change the page size to A4 in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to adjust your report canvas to A4 size so you can create professional-looking reports that are ready for print or presentation. Let's get started by opening your Power BI dashboard. If you have Power BI installed, simply launch the application and navigate to the report you want to modify. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still apply. Next, we need to select the report canvas. Click on an empty space on your report canvas. Make sure that no specific visual or chart is selected. This is crucial because we want to adjust the settings for the entire page, not just one element. Take a moment to ensure you have the right area selected. Now let's open the Format pane. Look to the right-hand panel of your screen and click on the Format icon, which looks like a paintbrush or a canvas with a paintbrush. This will bring up the formatting options for your report page. This pane is where all the magic happens, so keep it handy. Next, we need to navigate to the Page Settings or Canvas Settings. In the Format pane, find and expand the Canvas Settings section. If you're using an older version of Power BI, you might see it labeled as Page Size instead. This section is where you can customize various aspects of your report's layout. Now it's time to change the type to A4. Under the Type drop-down menu, click to reveal the list of preset page sizes. From this list, select A4. You might also see other options like 16, 9, 4, 3, or letter, but for this guide, we want A4 specifically. Selecting A4 will ensure your report is perfectly sized for standard printing. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the page size to A4 in Power BI. This adjustment will help your reports look polished and professional, ready for any audience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.